I don't know who to pick. Zil Asunta, Bel Paise.
Do you just have a bunch of characters already unlocked?
Oh, no, these are
Mm.
my. I
Yeah.
remember. I remember. Yeah, yeah. I remember these guys. I unlocked them before. I don't remember this Kinder guy though. The Kinder Egg guy.
Yung
Kinder.
ano yung gun, please don't get it. Ako
Yung
kukuha
what?
ng gun.
Ah,
The gun.
yung blue gun. Okay.
Yes.
Ay, anong tong baril ni Galio?
Yan yung
Time 1?
taga-freeze.
No, that doesn't deal damage.
Wait, was there a dragon?
Sa DLC yata.
I will. Ano,
There
bone
is a
zone ulit
dragon sa
or do I
DLC.
change the level?
What are the options?
Select stage. Stage 1, the Mad Forest, the Inlaid Library, the Dairy Plant, the Galio Tower, the Capella Magna, the Il Molise bonus level, the Moon Golo, the Green Acres challenge level, the Bone Zone challenge, the Boss Rush. I'm assuming it's Boss Rush challenge level.
Huwag yung mga
Whiteout.
challenge.
Okay. What do you want?
Yung ano lang, Mad Forest is quite big.
Mad Forest, Hyper mode,
Mad
or
Forest is quite big.
Mad
Yun,
Forest.
kahit normal lang.
Mad. Okay. Kala ko
Normal.
then multiply kayo.
So normal. Normal.
Wait,
normal.
Wang, yung pentagram erases even the experience, gems.
Talaga ba?
Yes. Until you upgrade it. Until you evolve it.
Gusto niyo ng Hyper Hurry, Arcanas, or Limit Break? Do I check everything?
Arcana, check mo kasi that's extra power.
Okay. Hyper, no?
Inverse. Hyper is kahit ano. Makikita mo kung ano yung stat, ano niya, change niya in the stats. One of those modes will make the enemy stronger.
Okay. Clock speed and XP bonus times 2 is Hurry. Hyper mode is move speed plus 100%. Okay, that sounds nice. Limit break is obviously limit break. Tapos wala naman. Okay, sige. Starting na ako.
Grabe, dumating si Christ.
Sige.
Sasali din yan.
I don't know who to pick. I'll be Cleriki. Suor Cleriki, I guess. Hey, Cry, what's up? Si Wang and then si TZ. Pick one, because I don't know what to pick.
Teka, ano ba yung mga weapon nyo?
Holy Water.
Yung
Holy Water.
whip na blue.
Well, try mo yung beginning. Para may plus amount.
Ito?
Yung letter X.
Ito. 10. You can't see my screen? You can't see what I'm
I
selecting?
can see your screen.
Okay.
I cannot.
He's not watching the stream.
No. But wala ba siyang interface sa kanya na, like I can see people level up? That kind of thing? What the hell are these?
The cat is, don't get the cat. Don't get the cat. Kasi the cat can damage you.
Okay, I'm getting the lightning ring, but I hate it because I'm using the same thing exactly.
I will reroll this. Yes, okay.
Where's
I
the
like
reroll?
rifle.
There's a reroll button?
Sa kanan. But I'm not sure if depende sa power-ups mo.
Ang pangit lahat, man.
This is
I don't
you,
know.
Wang.
Yeah.
Di ko alam kung anong huli.
Baka may roll ka sa kanan na on your right. Yeah, so he has to reroll.
These are worse. But like XP?
No,
Question mark?
The knife is okay if you can focus fire in a specific direction.
Wala kasi ang knife, mabilis siya umatak.
Pag na-evolve mo siya, malakas siya.
Ay, ako pala to. Sorry.
Bracer,
kunin mo na yung bracer.
Oo.
Okay, axe time. Let's go. No, I have no idea what I'm doing with it.
Whip.
Ang importante, Wang, kunin mo dito yung Scalomania.
Halo heart. Gagamitin yung Ben. Well,
You don't have to get my evolution. I actually prefer the
no, yung whip ko kasi may evolution sa Halo Heart. So, mamaya.
if I get it up, I don't
makuha
mind. HP.
ko. Hindi, hopefully makuha ko.
Kailangan mo makuha yung base whip.
Isa pang whip. Yeah.
Yes! Dinaanan niya yung ano.
This is
You don't have to get that tractor. You don't have to if you don't need it. Fire wand. Sorry.
Okay, I'm out. Bye, guys. Have
Bye-bye.
fun.
Bye.
I guess I'll get the attractor.
This is me, right? This is me.
Yes. O yan! Ay! Tira Jisoo.
Sorry, kukunin
No,
ko yung whip.
he wants the whip. He wants the whip.
Get the whip. Nice. I don't even. Space, skip, enter, whatever. That's me. I got an upgrade. Thank you. I don't know why I got the upgrade, but come on, click. Done. Yun! Hollow Heart!
Good.
Ayun, duplicator. Patay. Grabbing chest. Good job. Ay, magdone. Lag.
May chicken.
May mga map stuff sa baba. Wala lang, baka tip nyo lang.
Get it when
i-pick up
full
yan
na yung
kapag
nyo.
Yeah.
Pag puno na.
Oo.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ka makaka-roll ng bago dun sa level up. Joke.
Nice. I still can't believe they just use Castlevania assets for this game. Buti hindi nagalit si, sino to? Si
May DLC na Castlevania, so may licensing ano siya.
No, but even before, yung start, yung pinaka...
I mean, yeah.
Oh god, that hurts. Ow. Oh wait, I have HP regen. Okay, Candelabro it is. I got all my evolutions. Chest. Dagger. Yay, balance chest. Nakakaitig isang chest na tayo.
Grabe, ang bilis maglakad ni Daisy.
Ito, medyo annoying itong mga bats na to.
Why? Tough?
Yeah, they're tough.
Oh, okay.
Tsaka wala masyadong knockback sa kanila.
Nice. Ganda nun. What was that?
Time stop.
Yeah. Oh, good job. Good
Uy,
job.
nice.
Nice. Pam. In hindsight talaga, no, casino talaga yung specialty ng unang gumawa tong game na to.
It makes the level up fun.
Well, the first few times, then you start skipping everything.
Hindi pa rin nga ma-skip eh.
There's no
I mean-
skip.
Oh, wala pa rin, di ba?
Walang skip.
Ay, dapat pala yung mali.
Chest.
Sorry.
Pa-recommend ulit.
Okay sa akin yung una, pero wala yata kayong benefit.
I mean, I don't
I
mind.
mean, it can...
What do you want? I don't really care.
Yeah, may reroll ka ba?
Yeah, reroll 2. Okay, rerolling. Oh, you know, that's like all of us get at least one weapon, right? But it's not so good.
I'm okay with the Iron Blue Will, the 7. At least it affects a number
Everything.
of our weapons.
Yeah. Okay. G, getting it.
Wala pa, bale walang in-game communication. Ano? So, kung nga rin gusto mong
Yeah.
i-indicate na piliin yung ganitong card.
You can. Pag hindi mo turn and you click on the level up, it suggests.
Okay, okay.
It says
Click
there on the
ko.
text, pag nag-level up yung ibang tao, you can click to suggest. But yeah, limited naman yung ano. You know, select a choice to suggest to the player that is leveling up. Ay, wait, di mo na nakita kasi it's your choice. I'm getting duplicator.
Okay, so kapag nag-X ako, hindi pala siya pipiliin.
Hindi siya napipili.
Parang suggestion lang.
Okay, let's test it pag level up ko. Someone pick my weapon. Doesn't matter what. Not me. That's not my. So, this is.
May kailangan ng wings or empty tone.
No. I'm fine. It's
Naman.
indicated naman kung may makakagamit eh. Someone pick any weapon. I just want to see what it looks like. Ayun, may lumalabas yung icon.
Okay.
So, okay.
No, a lot of bats. I don't like the bats.
You can hide in the pool of solitude. What? What? I got a chicken accidentally. I'm sorry. Oh god, it's a trap. You're having chest. Oh wow, thank you.
Evolution na.
I died.
Nawala yung ano, nawala yung water ko eh, nung nag-change yung weapon ko. My god, may kumakagat pala sa akin. Oh, it's another chest. Particle effects ang pucha. Yay, nakalain na rin tayo. Thank you for the friendship.
Grabe yung layo mo, Tizzy.
Nag-ano ko eh. Nagtutour ako ng Mad Forest.
Friendship amulet, let's go. Nice. Oh, kanina tong mega power up special. Mine. Thanks. What the hell is this? Gold
Gold
fever.
rush.
It's money. As long as you kill, you earn money.
Gold fever ulit. Wow.
5.
Nice one.
Wait.
Nako, new lahat.
Reroll. There's always an option to reroll.
Blood.
Ano?
Divine
Do
Bloodline.
you have a
Disco Gold.
reroll?
Meron. Gamitin ko.
Sige. I mean, we can always use the revive. Or the Twilight Requiem. I have the Bible. Jaime has the
Lightning
lightning.
Ring.
Pero wala
kang-
wala kay ano. Wala kay Juan.
Wala, revive na lang.
Yung slash yung sa akin.
Or slash. Oh, slash din. Slash triple sa'yo eh. I have the axe
Oo.
naman. Pero si TZ wala. Ay, whatever, honestly. Slash or revive.
Sige,
Revive
kunin
ka
mo
lang?
ang slash.
Sige,
Slash.
thematic
Sige,
sa'yo
kunin mo
eh.
ang slash.
Go.
Carry ka ah. Oh, a chest.
Ba't iba yung map na to?
Ito yung first map. I got it. Wait, does that mean that's my lightning ring? Nag-evolve.
Yes.
Evolved. Yeah, okay.
You're the one that has the most evolution.
Evolution complete. Oh, triple. Nice.
Hey.
Evolve na rin sa'yo.
Wala.
Yes.
Now you get another gun.
Nakakatawa yung guns kapag nag-evolve.
Parang light show no? Oh, tumatagos. Nice.
That may Ferris wheel of Bibles.
Hindi nagsalita si Cry, umalis na siya.
I remember these guys from Castlevania, yung girl na Venus Flower ata. Flower with a lady, with a naked lady inside. Yeah. Pati yung ninja, yung ninja skeleton, naalala ko rin sila. Boss pala to. Chest. Oh, Demon Bible or something. It looks like a Demon Bible. Unholy Vespers. Close enough.
Okay, I will run to get the rings.
Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy. Have fun.
Wala bang boss, no?
Wala pa. I got chicken accidentally. I see a chest. Breaking through. Really slowly. Oh. May new weapon ka na.
Pwede na siya i-evolve.
Yeah, Longanisa.
Longganisa. Ano? Did I hear that right?
Yeah, why?
Actually.
Ilang kanina.
Sorry na, bigyan ko na yung candelabra ko. Yan na. Maxed out. Where clock? May chest.
Ibababa mo yung boss. Ay, dito na pala siya.
Ano yan?
Yun.
Brain?
The full
Second
of
evolution.
full. The two whips joined together.
Fuwalu.
May gusto ko yung weapon.
Not really, but Rune and Cross looks nazi. The Fire Wand, I think, is... I don't know. I don't remember the Fire Wand anymore.
Mag-cross na ako.
Holy Cross! Oh, it's mine. Sorry. Pierce one.
Lalabas na rin naman yung si Death.
May boss sa paligid natin ah.
Si TZ nagsama nun.
What the hell was that? Oh, Death! I'm alive!
Lumabas na nga si Death.
Stay alive, TZ. He's going for you.
I have some form of freeze. So it might freeze him a bit.
Okay.
Let's see.
Can I revive you? Walang revive. But may timer siya. Marires ka eventually. You're alive. That's here. That's kick my ass.
Actually, if we spread out, it actually helps.
Yeah.
I think it's going after me now. Yan, na-freeze siya. Oh, there's a second Death.
I'm alive. I'm running away. Death got me again.
Tangin ang bagal ko.
Okay. GG.
GG.
Okay na ako. Thanks guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.